After sending some funds to your account, you want to use the browser tab and want to go to dragonzeal.xyz. This is the main game page. We tap the menu here. We can buy eggs in both Zilliqa and this other token called ZLP. ZLP is the native token for the game. It stands for ZilPay, which is also the wallet that we're using, because the creators of the ZilPay wallet also made the game Dragon Zeal. So this is the native token of the game. We can purchase the egg in Zeal, but we're gonna need ZLP to interact with the platform anyways, and it is also cheaper to buy the egg in ZLP. So how do we get the ZLP? Well, we have to go back to the browser tab, and we're gonna go to zilwatch.io. This is a dashboard type application on Zilliqa where you can see your funds, and you could also swap tokens. We could open the swap tab, and we're gonna select Zil at the first end, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you're gonna be able to see ZilPay over here. You don't want to put all your funds into ZLP because you want to keep about 100 Zilliqa for some transactions. So we're just gonna get perfect amount for an egg. So we're gonna swap this. You could change this is the different speeds and how much you're gonna pay for the fee. You're not gonna pay 10 Zilliqa, you're actually gonna pay 0.1 Zilliqa. And you always want to choose the lowest fee, because why not? It's not as fast, but nobody's in a rush, so we're just gonna hit send. And remember that it always takes about up to 3 minutes for the transaction, for the swap to happen. So if you don't see it happen right away, just give it a minute and you're gonna come back to your ZLP. Now we can come back to the main page of the app, to the home tab, refresh the page, and we can see that we have a brand new ZLP tokens in here. Also some Zil left that we left for transactions. To the browser and back to the Dragon Zeal game. One egg, we're gonna buy for 94 ZLP. Again, we're gonna pop up this transaction screen here, and you can again choose your speed. Just keep it on low and then hit send and give it a minute. 5 minutes later, and the egg has generated. We can see the color of it just from the egg itself. If we tap on it, we can also see the stats. From these stats, it looks like the defense is really good. We're gonna talk about each stat in particular in future tutorials. The genes are pretty decent. We have 3 genes that are missing. We have to tap on actions, hatch egg, tap on hatch. We're gonna be prompted with another transaction. Choose the lowest fee and then hit send. Now we simply refresh the My Dragons page. We're gonna see our brand new dragon here, number 4569. Now that your dragon is here, you're ready to put it to good use.